Yo, what's up everyone? Welcome back to the channel, and today I'm going to show you how to track your progress towards your credit goals. So to track your progress towards your credit goal on Credit Karma, all you got to do is follow these simple steps. So first is to log into your Credit Karma account. You can do that on the mobile app, or you can do that on the website. And once you're logged into your account, you want to click on the Credit Goals tab, and then you want to view your credit goals, which includes improving your credit score, or it could be reducing debt. It could also be increasing credit limits. Now you can just view your goals, and then you can also track your progress towards your credit goals over time, and you can receive notifications when you reach a credit goal milestone. And you can also adjust your credit strategies as needed to stay on track and to ensure that you do finish that goal. So yeah, that's pretty much it on how to track your progress towards your credit goals. I hope you guys liked the video. Hope you found the information useful enough. If you did, like the video, comment down below, let me know what you thought, share the video with your friends, and subscribe to the channel if you haven't done so already. And I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace.